Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, and today we're going to look at 5 incredible individuals that you won't believe actually exist. First up is Marcus Rule. Marcus is one of the largest bodybuilders in the world today. His particular claim to fame is having some of the biggest shoulders outside of the Incredible Hulk. In a moment, we'll tell you about this 24-year-old mother with breast hypertrophy, and then the supposedly 10-foot tall man. Before I continue, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates. Next up is the former world's largest man, weighing well over 420 kilos. Some estimates have him weighing over 1,000 pounds. He passed away at age 38 after having weight loss surgery and losing over 250 pounds. His official cause of death was peritonitis, which is inflammation of the abdomen. Not to make light of the situation, but when I want to lose weight and boost my energy, I go with Phinergy. We'll tell you more about that at the end of the video. Next up are these conjoined twins. Maryam and Ende, I hope I'm pronouncing those correctly, share a stomach and heart, but Ende is the stronger of the two twins. At present, Maryam is mainly being kept alive by Ende. To compound the difficult decision of what to do surgically about the twins, there's also the cultural stigma of disability in the area that they live. Superstitious people might see it as a bad omen or a punishment from God. And the father is concerned the children may be targeted. Now let's take it back to the 24-year-old mother. She has gigantomastia, a condition where her breast tissue has grown to the point where it makes life difficult. For Jonah Lynn, who is 4 months pregnant, she has to wait until she has given birth before she can have a breast reduction surgery. Finally, this supposed 24-year-old from Sweden is reportedly over 10 feet tall. The picture went viral online, but it was nothing more than a hoax. It was actually submitted to designcrowd.com in a Photoshop contest. Nice. Now let's take a look at Phinergy.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Phinergy. If there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise, so stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Phinergy. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Phinergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.